Welcome everyone to Black Midwife Cooking with Shafia Monroe. It's been a while because, as you all know, they did something terrible to me. I was hacked, so I lost a lot of my food things. But today I want to talk about cooking the organ meat. This book is called Inwards and Other Varieties, all about heart, liver, kidneys, and things like that. These are things that the African Americans ate. They ate the entire animal, which is why they were so healthy. And also other cultures also eat the whole animal. So this is not for everybody. You have to, of course, be a meat eater. So if you're vegetarian or vegan, no offense. I just want to go over that. We had a goat slaughtered. So this is what the liver looks like. You see how dark it is. This is a goat liver, very high in iron. So when your daughter or you are having your period or baby after birth, you want to cook this liver. And I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, garlic, onions. I can make it with tomatoes and stew it. The main thing is don't cook it heavy. If you cook it real hard, it tastes like rubber. It does not taste good. So then we have, I believe, we have a heart. Also very good. Even with the fat, keep the fat on, slice it small with onions, saute green peppers, red pepper. You could make with peanut stew, over brown rice, injera bread, delicious. Then we have a couple of other things here. We have a kidney. So if you haven't seen a kidney before, the same thing we have. And I know people say that the kidney is dirty and that it filters the blood, but you know what? We got African folks who are tall and gorgeous for centuries eating this, as well as African Americans for centuries. Our great midwives ate this, so I am going to continue eating the organ meat, following the legacy of my ancestors. So with Black Midwife Cooking, that's what we're doing. We're following the legacy of the Black midwife of the 19th and 20th century. So this is my plate of organ meat, different organs. I show you the heart, the kidney, the liver. And then lastly, we have the book. So if you're not sure, and this book has recipes like sweet and sour heart, calf head soup, you all, even ate the head. So only Americans waste everything. Everybody else is healthy. We hardly eat anything here. So I'm all about, again, talking today about organ meat with Black Midwife Cooking. So follow me at Shafia Monroe, Instagram at Shafia Monroe, Shafia Monroe Consulting, coming to you from my very own kitchen. Peace and blessings, and be open-minded. Thank you.